welcome to another episode of MrLopezClasses.com. Today we are visiting Max Marine Electronics. Max, thank you for inviting me.
Absolutely.
I am really impressed about this wonderful company. Hey guys, if you need some part, some electronic device, some electronic solution, visit this place. What is the website?
Website is maxmarineelectronics.com.
And over there you enter, you select the parts, you select service, or how is the process?
Well, you can either go to the website and look up the part number you're looking for, or you can give us a call and we'd be happy to answer any questions. We have 15 technicians on staff full time, ready to answer any questions you have. You just call our phone number, select what you're looking for, whether it's Furuno, Raymarine, Autopilot, audio, and somebody here can certainly help you out.
Yeah, and you can see in the screen, it's a huge inventory of parts, new parts, used parts. You deliver the parts?
Yeah, we ship worldwide. We ship about 50 to 100 parts every day.
Okay.
Or you can come in and pick it up as well.
All right, and you also supply parts for other small dealers in other places?
Yeah, we have a pretty large network of dealers and technicians and boat yards that buy our parts. One thing that we offer that is difficult to find is with used equipment, you're always rolling dice. You don't know whether what you get is going to work or not work.
Wow.
But what we do is we fully test everything that leaves here, so you know that what you're getting is going to be a functional piece of equipment.
That's excellent. Max, I have a question. Every day the people try to integrate different solutions in one.
Yeah.
You help to them?
Yeah, that's part of what we do. That's part of the service that we offer.
Okay, great.
If you have an existing transducer, or you have an existing digital radar, we can tell you
or
this display,
that autopilot system with this.
Correct. Yeah, we can definitely help explain what will be compatible or will not be compatible with your existing equipment.
Oh wow, this is great, guys, because it doesn't matter the manufacturer. You help. Okay.
Yeah,
great.
we deal with Furuno, Simrad, Raymarine, Garmin, even older ones, Northstar, Cytex, Coden, some of the ones that are not around anymore, but that the equipment is still in circulation.
Okay, and you recommend installer, or you help to the customer to install by itself, or what is the idea?
Yeah, I mean, we generally ask customers to read the manual, just like we recommend anybody to anyone. But when people run into issues that they're not able to figure out on their own, we're happy to help them through those issues, because not every installation is going to be a piece of cake.
Okay. Some people call to me, send emails asking about the integration of all equipments NEMA 183 with the new system. You can help to them with that.
Yeah, definitely. When you're talking about NEMA 0183 to NMEA 2000 integration, you either have to have equipment that's capable of negotiating both protocols, or you use a gateway that will convert, bidirectionally convert NEMA 2000 to 0183.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And what about the screen, the main screen? Integrate everything over there in the main screen?
Yeah, I mean, all these multifunction displays we sell, have network ability to each other, and have limited but still the ability to share information with other brands and older equipment, newer equipment, etc. Our technicians know what can be done and what can't be done, and we'll give you a straight answer when you ask.
Guys, the facilities are new ones. A year ago
we started construction in 2021 in April. We finished in June of 2022, and that's when we moved in.
Oh, great. And what is the next step in this project?
Well, I think that we've established ourselves as the place to go for used electronics. We've got a very good facility that is exactly what we need for what we do. So I think the next step is to really optimize our internal processes to be able to deliver the best possible customer experience to anybody that calls or emails or goes to our website.
I am really impressed because they replace terminals. They replace the original cables in the VHF radios. They create a lot of small terminals with 3D printers. Great project, no? This is
Yeah, you know, ever since the beginning, we've always looked for ways to branch out. I like to use an amoeba as an analogy. So, you know, an amoeba basically conforms to whatever situation it's in, moves, changes shape, changes form. We've basically done the same thing. We've evolved to meet the needs of our customers. If there's something in our industry that we see as being a need, then we will, you know, use our collective brain power to figure out a solution to that. And so, you know, that 3D printing stuff is definitely something that is a huge need, whether it's, you know, a VHF cable or, you know, the back of a Raymarine Dragonfly unit, the little twist turn thing. I mean, any part that we see that you cannot buy from a manufacturer, we will figure out how to make it.
Also, if the screens on the display is broken, they fix it.
Yeah, we do. We have a large supply of LCDs. So we rebuild all of our units in-house. These Raymarine units you see behind me, I'd say probably half of them have new screens in them. It's a very common failure point on electronics, and it's something that, you know, doesn't necessarily make a unit unusable. It just needs to be repaired.
Oh, wow! This is incredible. I am impressed with these facilities. The people can buy parts certified in eBay, no?
Yeah. So anything that we sell that is, we have different levels of you know, refurbishment. So the top level is MME refurbished, and that is where every failure point that we identify as a common failure has been addressed. Something like a Raymarine E120, an MME refurbished unit is going to have a new LCD, and it's going to have a rebuilt backlight circuit on the power board. We then have units that have been fully tested and everything comes with a 90-day warranty, but we have units that came to us as working units, and that we have, you know, bench tested. In some cases we've resealed them, you know, done some preventative maintenance that should be done on a unit.
Probably those equipments at the end are better than new ones.
In some cases, yes. You know,
better seal, better.
Well, one of the you know, things about our industry is the products have become so complex, which is great for the end user, but, you know, it does make them more vulnerable to failure. So something like an old NavNet, you know, when you've got a new LCD and a new trackball and the whole thing's been sealed up, that thing is probably going to last 10 or 15 years, whereas, you know, you go to West Marine, you buy a brand new, pick your manufacturer. You know, it might last 10 years, but it might not. You know?
No, wow. And also I am impressed with the amount of technicians and especially specialized people in each topic. How many people is working here in this facility?
We have about 25 employees. Of the 25, 15 are technicians. I mean, the people who work here are the people who make Max Marine Electronics what it is.
Yeah. Great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All righty. Thank you.